How to fix Instagram when it won't let you follow on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram when it won't let you follow on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do is close all the applications in the background and close Instagram, and then turn off your Wi-Fi and now restart your phone and turn it on again, and go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store, and here maybe you'll find an update, and if you find here an update, just update your Instagram and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, or you can't find any update or something like that, then just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And don't forget like and see you in the next video.